Take a ride in the 2026 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, 4-wheel disc brakes, traction control, brake assist, electronic stability control. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.